Have you ever slammed on your brakes in a panic and felt the brake pedal violently vibrating under your foot? That rapid, pulsing sensation is your anti-lock braking system actively working to keep you safe on the road. This automated system prevents your vehicle tires from completely stopping and dangerously skidding across the pavement during hard stops. The entire process begins with specialized wheel speed sensors located at the hub of each tire. These magnetic sensors constantly monitor how fast every individual wheel is rotating while you drive down the highway. They send a continuous stream of real-time data through a wiring harness directly to the main computer known as the ABS control module. When you press the brake pedal hard during an emergency, the main control module looks for sudden drastic changes in rotational speed. If the computer detects that one or more wheels are slowing down too quickly and about to lock up, it immediately takes over the hydraulic braking pressure for those specific tires. The control module uses a complex series of internal hydraulic valves and a high-pressure pump to rapidly release and reapply the brake fluid. This mechanical action happens incredibly fast, usually pulsing the brake pads against the rotors up to 15 times per single second. This high-speed precision is completely impossible for any human driver to replicate manually. By continuously pulsing the hydraulic brakes, the system allows the rubber tires to maintain dynamic rolling traction with the road surface. This critical mechanical advantage means you can continue to turn the steering wheel and navigate around obstacles while simultaneously slowing the vehicle down. Without this active system, locked wheels would simply slide forward regardless of your steering input. Modern vehicles deeply integrate this foundational technology with other advanced safety features like electronic stability control and traction control. The core hydraulic components remain exactly the same, working silently in the background until a sudden emergency situation arises. Understanding this vital mechanical process helps you trust the vehicle dynamics and stay calm during unexpected panic-braking scenarios.